In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive or delete items in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredibly versatile productivity tool that helps you manage tasks, projects, and workflows all in one place. Whether you're trying to stay organized or collaborate with your team, knowing how to archive or delete items effectively is key to keeping your workspace clean and functioning smoothly. In this tutorial, we'll go step by step through the process so you can confidently manage your tasks without any hassle. Let's get started. First, let's talk about archiving tasks. Archiving is a great way to clean up your workspace without permanently removing tasks. To archive a task, start by right-clicking on the task you want to archive. This will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, simply select the Archive option. Once you archive a task, it won't appear in your active lists anymore. But don't worry, you can still access it whenever you need to. If you ever want to locate an archive task, all you need to do is use the search bar at the top of your ClickUp window. Type in the name of the task, and it will show up in your search results even though it's archived. Now, if you want to delete a task instead, the process is just as simple. Start by right-clicking on the task you want to delete. This will open the same menu as before. From there, select the Delete option. Keep in mind that deleting a task will remove it from your workspace, but it's not gone forever just yet. Deleted tasks are temporarily moved to the trash, giving you a chance to recover them if needed. To manage your deleted tasks, click on your profile icon, which is located in the top right corner of the ClickUp window. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Trash. This will take you to a list of all the tasks that have been deleted. Here you'll see two options for each deleted task. If you want to recover a task, simply click on Restore, and it will be moved back to your workspace. However, if you're certain that you no longer need a particular task, you can choose to delete it permanently by clicking Delete Forever. Before you select Delete Forever, take a moment to double-check your decision. This action cannot be undone, so make absolutely sure that the task is no longer needed before you remove it permanently. And that's all there is to it. Managing your tasks in ClickUp, whether you're archiving, deleting, or recovering them, is straightforward once you know the process. If you're new to ClickUp, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your tasks today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.